The first wrong sentence is each of the students have a pen. Each of the students have a pen. Sindhuji.
Means we have to change has in place of have because
Has. The second coming up is, listen to it carefully. Neither of the answers are correct.
Neither of the answer is correct.
Excellent. Vijay, third one is coming up, very interesting and very easy. He suggested me to study harder. He suggested that
Repeat the question.
I study harder. We will remove two. Okay. Next one, very interesting. We always commit this mistake. I look forward to meet you. Meet, yes, Vijay.
I look forward to meeting.
Yes, excellent. I look forward to meeting. Excellent, Vijay. Correct. Next one, very interesting, and we also commit this mistake a lot. Despite of the rain. What is mistake? Despite of the rain. Yes, Sindhuji, got it.
Despite of
we
rain.
have to go off.
Yes, we don't use off after despite.
Oh.
Interesting. Next one is, she is married with a businessman. She is married. Yes, Kumudini ji got it.
She is married to a businessman.
Excellent. Hardly I had reached home.
Hardly I had reached to home.
No.
Hardly
Hardly I had reached at home.
No. Sindhuji got it. Hardly had. Yes, Vijay. Correct. Hardly had I reached. Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hardly had.
This is inversion. This is the example of inversion. Right. Very interesting. If I will see him. If I will see him. What is mistaken here?
I see. If I see him.
Yes, excellent. This is condition 1. This is type 1 condition, and whenever we have type 1 condition and if is there in the phrase, we never use will with if. Instead of using will,
Yes.
we have to use in simple present tense. That means if I see him, I will beat him. Coming up next, it's high time we go home. It is high time. It is high time we went home. It's high time. Yes, we went home. Whenever you have write down, whenever we have high time expression, we have to use past form. Divya, I wish I am taller.
I wish I were taller.
Yes, excellent. I wish I were taller. I prefer to rather than to go out. What's the mistake here?
I prefer rather than go home.
Right? I prefer rather than go out, because we have already used 1, 2 after prefer. The next one is, she is one of those teachers who explains. What is the mistake here? जब हम one of the expression use करते हैं ना, तो हमारा जो main verb होता है वो singular होता है. So we have to write, she is one of those teachers who explain. Explains नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर plural की बात कर रहे हैं. The police is investigating. Chetali.
Police are
investigating.
Yes.
Police
The
are
police
investigating.
are investigating. Interesting and mind-boggling also. Next one बहुत ध्यान से सुनते हैं. Neither Ram nor his friends has arrived. Divya.
Have arrived.
Yes. Yes. So the proper answer will be neither Ram nor his friends have arrived. I am not used to drive.
I am not used to driving.
I'm not used to drive.
बिल्कुल close. I'm not used to, Vijay?
Driving.
Driving. He is senior than me. Very easy.
To me.
Yes.
He's senior to me.
Yes. हम सीनियर और जूनियर के साथ टू लगाते हैं और ओल्डर और यंगर के साथ देन लगाते हैं. She gave me an advice.
She gave me some advice.
Some advice. या
Some
तो हम
advice.
very good Vijay, very good. Either we can say she gave me some advice or we can say she gave me a piece of advice. Next one is बहुत easy है और ये हम हमेशा गलती करते हैं. Do you know where is she?
Where she is. Do you know where
Yes.
she is?
Yes. Then next one is she told that she was tired.
She told me.
Yes.
That she was
Whenever
tired.
you have told, remember, whenever you have told, use object after.
Use that.
She told you, she told me, she told him. If you're not using told me, then you can replace it with sad. He said that
Said.
he was a poor man. That is correct. And the last of this session is उसके बाद सब लोग कहेंगे हाँ, thank God. No sooner I reached. This is again the case of inversion sentence. तो no sooner के बाद हमेशा had आता है. जैसे hardly
No sooner
had
had.
आता है. Yes. No sooner had. So guys, this is the end of this beautiful, energetic and ebullient session and I hope you all have enjoyed this session. Looking forward to, क्या बोलेंगे? To seeing you या to see you?
Mm.
Seeing you.
See you.